To write an abstract, follow these footsteps. 1. Understand the purpose. The abstract serves as a standalone summary of your research. It should provide a clear overview of the study's objectives, methods, and conclusions. Before you begin writing, make sure you have a clear understanding of these aspects. 2. Follow the guidelines. Check the guidelines provided by the target journal or conference for specific requirements regarding length, format, and any information they expect to see in the abstract. Adhering to these guidelines is crucial for your abstract. 3. Structure the abstract. While there may be some variation, most abstracts consist of background or intro. Provide a brief context for your research, highlighting the problem or knowledge gap you aim to address. 4. Structure the abstract. Objectives or purpose. Clearly state the main research question or objective of your study. 5. Structure the abstract. Methods or approach. Briefly describe the research design, methodology, data collection techniques, and analysis methods employed. 6. Structure the abstract. Results or findings. Summarize the key findings or outcomes of your study. Highlight specific data, statistical analyses, or significant trends. 7. Structure the abstract. Conclusion or implications. State the main conclusions drawn from your study and discuss their broader implications or significance. 8. Be concise and specific. Since abstracts are typically limited in length, usually 150 to 300 words, it's essential to be concise and focus on the most critical information. Avoid unnecessary details and lengthy explanations. Stick to the main points and key findings. 9. Use clear and concise language. Write in clear, straightforward language to ensure that your abstract is easily understandable by readers from various backgrounds. Avoid technical terms or, if necessary, provide brief explanations for specialized terminology. 10. Provide a strong conclusion. End your abstract by summarizing the overall significance or implications of your study. Emphasize how your findings contribute to the field or address the research problem identified. 11. Revise and proofread. After drafting the abstract, review it for clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Ensure that the abstract is well structured and the information flows logically. Proofread for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. 12. Seek feedback. It's always beneficial to seek feedback from colleagues or mentors. They can provide valuable suggestions to improve the clarity and effectiveness of your abstract.